Today I'm going to show you how to put 4 Crius Master D foldable bikes into the boot of my Corolla, and the trick is to put 2 in front using these bags. First, I need to show you this bag which we bought online. Okay, it's a standard bag to hold a 20-inch foldy bike. From this angle, I show you how easy it is to put in a fully folded Crius Master D and to wrap it up. Now, the trick here is you ought to get foldable pedals, because that will reduce the width of the folded bag, and that helps a lot when you want to load it to the front of a Corolla Altis like mine. So I'm going to just show you how to wrap up a Crius Master D using one of the 2 black foldy bags we got. It's very easy. In fact, there's still lots of room in the back for a bigger bike, I think, but not that we need a bigger bike. Ours already has 20-inch wheels, so zip it up and that's it. Look at that, it's so compact, and you can carry it up with one hand or 2 hands. The bike weighs 11 kg thereabouts. Awesome, right? Now I'm gonna show you next how to go into the car. Alright, this is a fully enclosed, zipped up bag, how it looks like. I'm just shifting the camera for you to take a look. This is my Toyota Corolla Altis. Front door open, and the front seat, first you push it as far back as you can go, because you need enough space to fit 2. Right, we're gonna fit 1 under the glove compartment at the upright, and then 1 more on the seat, also at the upright. Now the key trick now here is very simple. Right, with the back, you can feel that this is the seat. We will have to slot it in an upright position with the wheels below. Right, with the wheels below and the seat facing the driver. I say that again. You can feel around the back. You can feel that the wheels are where the wheels are. So I'm lifting it up. Right, so the bike is like standing on its buttocks right now, upwards. And I'm gonna slip it in such that the wheels are below and the seat is facing the driver. Okay, it's gonna be too hard for me to use one hand, so let me put down my camera and use 2 hands to show you how it fits. Okay, there's what it's gonna look like. Right, yep. Slot it under the glove compartment. You can feel the wheels, so you can hold on to it, don't worry. You're not gonna damage the chain and all that. Yeah, so it's gonna look something like that. A little bit singing, a little bit bad at the moment, but you can shift it up a bit more so that the angle is right, and it gives you lots of space for another bike on the seat itself proper. Yep, fiddle around with it. You have definitely fit. We have done it already. Awesome. The door can close, don't worry. I've driven around like that. And the next part of the video will show you how 2 bags look like. Yep, just edge it a little around a bit. Oh, before that, I'll shift this one bag up onto the seat to show you what it looks like. See, the bike is so light, I can just use my one hand to lift it up, the other hand holding the camera. So yeah, you see it fits so nicely on the seat. Okay, really folded up. The bike is really so small. The dimensions is just incredible. It's 20-inch wheels, right? So this one, the back on the seat and the space in front. So you watch on, you will see now 2 bags. There you have it, both bags. It's a snug fit, but not so tight that you have to squeeze and push and yank. No, not worry at all. Just remember the same style, right? Wheels below and the seat of the bike facing the driver. I think that's the optimal way. You could try a few different ways standing it up, but you do need the wheels to be below. And behind, you can easily seat 3 people. I mean, one of the seats fully pushed to the back, so ask the shortest maybe or the smallest person to sit by the side. And that's how we bring the whole family, 2 adults and 2 teenagers, with 2 bikes in the boot, 2 bikes in front, 4 people in total. And we can go anywhere in Singapore to cycle. Isn't that amazing? So this may be the first video you have seen where we managed to put 4 Master D Criuses into a Toyota Corolla Altis. Well, like and subscribe if you like my channel. Happy cycling and stay safe.